You want one hand? Hold. Hold with the one hand here. Yeah. And touch with the other hand. Yeah. What's that? Big grape. Oh, watch out, this oxygen.
Langga, pick. Pick.
Hey, big, hey, grapes. Grapes to eat.
Opla. Take care. Take care. Hold tight.
Huh?
Pang-harvest na. Harvest na, harvest. Harvest langga.
Look here. This one.
She eat by her mouth. Directly eat in your mouth.
Stand. Hold. Stand.
Pagalitan tayo sa mayari.
Yeah.
Wait. Langga ah, Mirel. Mirel. Look oh. Look oh, mama oh. Mm. Mm. Eat. Eat. Come on, eat. Mmm, yummy. Look, mama. Look, mama. Mmm, yummy. Uy, 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 uy. Enough. Enough. No, no, no. Patakar rin puksi si baby ay. She put back. Enough. Papagin it. Finish this. Finish these grapes. Oh, finish na. Finish photo. Photo. Finished video, Mac.
Now it looks good.
Hello. Okay. Walking, walking. I'm at your back. Okay. I'm at your back. Go.
I go full in the sun, I guess. Kan man niet koeken. Kom maar läuft. Na gut machst du das. Was willst du jetzt machen? Reifen putzen.
Opla, opla.
Ja, das ist dirty.
Dirty?
Muss clean. Grass on the wheel.
What's that? Ah, it's want to clean.
Dirty, dirty. Muss clean, clean. Okay?
It's okay. We'll go push.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Turn and then clean.
Oh,
with the hand.
take care.
That's a good idea, then you don't clean. Loop maar geradeover.
It's okay, I'm at your back. I'm at your back. It's okay. Go. Go.
So, weiter. Weiter geht's. Was willst du da machen? Yeah, it's turning. I saw you want to brake. Okay. Okay, you don't want to stop? So, okay. Okay.
Opla.
Sheet no. Yeah, now it's brake. It's break time. Break time. Don't go.
Up.
Stand.
Meryl, stand. Stand. The car is coming. Coming, the car. Stand.
It will take a while till he's inside. The amigo.
Stand up.
Stand. Yeah. Yeah. Was willst du machen? Ja, was? Was willst du machen? Aufpassen.
Take care.
Look at the nose. Come. The nose.
Get the tissue. Come
The
on.
nose. The
Ipahid
nose.
pa siya
Get the
pantalon.
nose. Very gut walk there. Das ist ganz gut laufen, aber ganz gut. Ganz gewaltig gut. Aber if you're done here, then can walk. That's ready for sure.
Hop, 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 hop. Oxygen is not here.
Next 3 weeks, then walk.
Isipon ang langga. Say bye-bye, Papa. Bye. Bye-bye, Papa. Say bye-bye, Papa. Bye, Papa. Bye. Bye-bye, Papa. Bye. Bye-bye, Papa. Come on, bye-bye, Papa. Bye. Bye-bye, Papa. He didn't see. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye, Papa. Bye, Papa. I didn't say bye-bye, Papa. Oh. Oh, huli na ang bye-bye niya. Huli na ang bye-bye. Say, Papa. Bye-bye, Papa. Come on. Say bye-bye. Bye, Papa. Oh. It's okay lang ka. We stay here 2 months maybe. Sabi ng doktor, guys. Ayaw nila kasi madaliin si baby. Ayaw nila istresin kasi nga ang counting nila kay baby ay hindi pa talaga totally 2 years. Kasi ang mag 2 years old si baby dapat sa December. So from 2 years old kasi ang kanilang acceptance dito. Ang bilis ni Peter nag-drive. Doon na sa layo. So sabi nila mas maganda din pala ang ginagawa namin na maaga kasi matraining siya ng slowly na dahan-dahan. And then yun, magantay kami. It's up to Mirel kasi ayaw nilang pilitin, i-stressin ng baby. Kailangan it's up to Mirel lang talaga. Susundin yung ang makakaya niya, ayaw nilang pilitin. Yung pinipilit lang nila yung malalaki na pala, yung like 15 years old and 20 years old, kasi yung buto niyan masyado ng buto buto talaga, mga katulanan ba guys, sa mga walking lang yan, walking sa mga kamay, hindi nag-work. Sa baby naman kasi pagkain lang sa pagkain niya lang ang kailangan niya dito na therapy. So tinitraining yan si baby Mirel, pinapakilala ang mga food, paano ang, pero si baby kilala niya naman ang mga food. Ang ano lang kay baby talaga ang problema paglunok. So dun sila pumupokus kung paano maglunok ng pagkain si baby. May mga tricks sila pero hindi pa nila pwede i-apply ngayon kay baby. So ang ginagawa nila ngayon ay ano tawag dun, ang ginagawa nila ngayon ay yung dahan-dahan pinapaklala ang pagkain, pinapalaro si baby ng pagkain, pwede pala ito makain, ganon. So magantay tayo sa kanilang tricks nga tinatawag tricks. Mga tricky mga ano nila guys, kasi expert yan mga dito. Alam mo, sabi nila kung nakikita nyo sa pictures nyo, yun, kung napakita ko bang sa pictures nyo, kung sila lang talaga dito guys, no, nakapundo. Sila lang talaga dito na nakapundo. Tapos ang layo ng mga ang layo ng mga pasyente nila. Dito kami guys, nag-walking kami sa labas. Ang lalayo ng mga pasyente nila guys. Galing pa sa Munich, galing pa sa Bavarian, galing pa sa Berlin. Meron naman daw doon. Puro hindi kasing expert dito. Dito yung sikat. Dito yung pinaka the best na expert guys. Napalakad nila yung napaka very disabled na yan. Lahat bago daw lalabas dito. Talagang totally successful. Hindi nila bibitawan hanggat hindi sila mag-success. Pero yung iba dito guys, years na no. Kasi yung mga aksidente pa guys, mga na-aksidente. As in totally talaga, like, mga ano, mga nakoma. Ganun. Totally talaga as in, hindi na makagalaw. Ayan, matagal niyan dito guys. Pero may tiwala talaga sila dito kasi may improvements. Kahit paunti-unti ang nakikita, may nakikita silang improvements. Ayan, si Bibi. Plak, 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 plak. Ituturo niya yung bird niya lupad-lupad. So, langga, ikot lang tayo. Kasi medyo malamig-lamig na. Ikot lang tayo, then uwi na tayo sa ating room. What's that? What is that? This one. Narela. Ang ganda dito guys, mga music. Mama na naglalaro. Nakatingin ka na lang. Saka, huwag mo kagatin yan. Ay, nakagat na naman ah.